I must to say that this is a beautiful place.
Yeah.
It seemed very appealing to come to Austria and to be 1 week in a castle with brilliant people.
My name is Leonor.
My name is Yasmin.
I am from Spain.
And I'm from Israel.
So for me, I recently graduated from drama school.
I learned in Israel 3 years of acting studio, and I'm also writing and produce my shows. I have 3 shows in Israel that I direct and acting on them.
For me, last year I became more and more interested in physical theater. So after having a first taste in Berlin, I decided to continue with this teaching in Austria, because also it's a more complete experience, as it is followed by 3 days of conference with people from all other countries that are involved in theater.
After I've been in the workshop at Berlin, I know that this workshop is very interesting and can move me to a better place in my knowledge about acting and physical theater. I looked for a workshop outside my country, a physical workshop, and it looks really fixed what I wanted to do.
And this workshop also helped to get more knowledge about physical theater, as it wasn't initially the field of acting in which I started studying.
I think I'm taking all what we did with the breathing exercise, and I also realized that if I move more, I have more power. So I want to bring to my life more movement, more physical theater. And also the main thing that I'm taking from this workshop is that I'm, as an actor, I have responsibility to the space. I need to take my responsibility of the space and of my partners in the space.
For me, what I take from here is the discipline and the routine for training, and also new ways of creating pieces and approaching text. So I hope in the future I'm not only going to be the kind of actor that reads a script and can execute it perfectly, but be also a creator that can propose new ideas to other people or experiment them with myself as well. I think there needs to be an initial trust with what they are going to learn, not to hold themselves back, but be open to everything that they can find.
They need to know that they're going to meet people from all over the world, and it's going to become a group that's working in intimacy. And you need to prepare yourself for this situation.
Yeah.
It was organized perfectly, and with a lot of how to say
care.
Yeah,
Care for the people. I think, especially in this one, the selection of participants was one of the things that helped the most to create this safe space where everyone feels that is taken care of, and also that has a place to speak, that there's no one that is better than anyone.
And also all of the people have future experience with working as a group. as a actors or director or dancer, but they know how to work together and how to have a safe space. I think I will return. I think I have a lot to learn from NIPAI workshops.